Why is the business world so crazy about the Go game? Perhaps it's because there are so many similarities in running a company and playing a Go game. Many skills which you learn from Go will help you in improving your business. While playing and studying Go, you develop your logical and strategical thinking. You improve at evaluating the risk and possible profits. You get better in adjusting the local situations into the global scene. And by the way, you also develop your skills of making decisions at a certain time. You learn humility and patience, and you even have fun. It is a game after all. Go is the oldest board game on the world, and for many years it is a leading game among businessmen and entrepreneurs in the Far East, in China, Korea and Japan. Go is a game with very simple rules, so that you can learn how to play this game within only 2 minutes. However, Go has an extremely big number of possible variations, much more than chess and drafts taken together. It's possible to play more various Go matches than the number of existing atoms in the universe. Even the machines needed 20 more years to beat the top Go players in comparison with machines which beat top chess players. So hey, stop wasting your time. Develop your mind by studying Go.